Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we have a new tutorial, so before the video start, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you. I colored the background with a gray because actually we're going to draw a water drop today. And the first step is to make the shape of the water. And you have to trust my process and you are going to have like a great result. Okay, we are almost done and we have absolutely great result. Okay, this is the final touches and this is the result. I hope that you like it and benefit from that, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video and don't forget to keep the thumbs up.